My name is Virgil B. Weddington. I've been here, I believe, for 3 years now. I have vitiligo. It didn't bother me when it was in other parts of the body, but when it started getting into my face and my ears and things of that nature, it went from one small area and then it just blew up all over my face and stuff. And I didn't like how it made me feel. I didn't feel inadequate or anything, but I just didn't feel like myself. Asked my doctor to help me out with a dermatologist to find out who I could change this with. You try the wives' tales and everything else. You sit there and say, oh, I'm gonna do this or I'm gonna do that. And it might prevent the initial sting, but after time, it's not a solution. So you want a solution, and this is the solution. And it's not a cosmetic thing. It's actually something to do with your physical being. You know, it has effects. You are susceptible to any unnecessary heat, whether it being environmental or if it has something to do with foods. When you're working with these foods, the hot peppers or anything else like that, that stuff really hurts. If I had better foods to eat or something like that to make it change, I'd do it in a heartbeat. But there's no rhyme or reason for it to happen. It's just happening. The results are very positive overall. And I even told my mother, I said, Mom, you know what? Because she has it as well. And I said, you should go and get it done. She said, well, I'm too old. I could care less. But I noticed that when she's sitting outside and she's in the sunlight, she gets severely burned, you know, and that's when she starts to get the color back. I'm not trying to go outside and get severely burned to get my skin back, and that's too many complications. I'm not trying to get cancer or anything else like that. That's rough. So if I can do this and not worry about getting cancer, thumbs up. I'm happy that I'm getting the treatments and it's making a big difference, not only within, it's doing a big difference within me, you know. So I like the outward energy that I have. And you think I'm talkative now, hey, wait till I'm all the way back. And I'm sitting there like that, chicka-la-cha, chicka-la-cha, chicka-chicka-chicka-la-cha. So I'm happy.